Welcome to Modo Energy's Year in Review 2023. So, what's changed for battery energy storage in Great Britain this year? Firstly, total installed battery capacity is now 3.5 gigawatts. This is a massive increase of 1.4 gigawatts from the 2.1 gigawatts of capacity at the end of 2022. 34 new batteries came online in total, increasing the number of operational projects by over 50%. There are now over 100 grid-scale batteries operating in Great Britain. But this rate of new additions is slower than might have been expected. A further 1.2 gigawatts of projects were expected to come online at some point in 2023. This has come amidst a big fall in revenues. Average battery revenues fell by 65% to £53,000 per megawatt for the year. The big cause of this has been the saturation of the frequency response markets, made worse by the launch of the Endurance auction capability in November. Revenues from frequency response have fallen 73% from 2022. This means more batteries are relying on revenues from wholesale trading and the balancing mechanism than ever before. But values from these markets has not increased. The launch of the open balancing platform may well improve things, but we'll need to see just how much of an impact it can make in 2024. That's it from us this year. Happy holidays.